Good morning. Couple of updates and Okay, currently we have 40 active fires. We still have 15 unstaffed fires. We've contained 83 fires out of 123 initially that we ended up with here. And we currently, our acreage is 37,800 acres. For those of you that are coming in, some of our objectives are go out to those that are contained, because early on we got line around them and moved on to other ones. So we're going to need to implement mop-up procedures 100 feet. We also are going to be starting to have some low-level helicopter IR flights. So please be aware of that. If the residents in the area are asking why helicopters are circling over low level, they are doing mapping. So that would be helpful to get that word out. A couple of updates. They're mapping their fire department helicopters. Okay, enough said. Ore series is still our number one priority. We're making really good progress here. We've grouped the fires in groups. Ore series will be our number one, followed by number two down here, the Cliff Mallow area. Number three is the Red Mountain, and we've done two-phase firing operation, squared that thing off, made really good progress. And number four is out here along the coast. We are getting intel and starting to operate out there. We are still in a north-south arena. So we have the south operations and the north operations and the overall operations. One thing is, we do have a fire out here that is trying to get active, but we have resources out there that will be working on that. So if you hear fixed wing flying, they'll be out probably focusing their attention out here. That doesn't mean we're not going to be operating on the global picture. Our four priorities are just that. We are still going to be out there operating on the contained fires to ensure mop-up is done. We are still getting a lot of reports of islands burning out and that type of thing, so be aware of that. One thing is, we've seen a lot of fairly benign fire activity. We do not want you to get your guard down. These fires can come out of here. We do have a marine influence, but we are getting some winds. Last night, some of the RHs started bottoming out, and some of the fires were starting to burn at night. We're not seeing extreme fire behavior, but we are seeing some fire behavior. We are in the timber model in most cases. Be safe out there. Thank you.
Go to weather. Chris Jordan, incident meteorologist.
Good morning, everyone. What we got, we're getting very little day-to-day changes in the weather right now, but there are some big changes up ahead. The coastal branches continue to be pretty much engulfed in the marine layer. They're in the fog in the morning. It slowly pulls back around 1100 or so. But up on the higher ridges, up on Red Mountain, Lost Pipe, once you get above about 2,000 feet, they're up in dry air. Their minimum RHs actually occur in the morning, and then the humidity comes up throughout the day. So some of those fires do have a little bit of potential when they are in the dry air. As far as the inland branches go, obviously a lot hotter and drier. Branch 1 is the hottest and driest. That's why this report fire is a concern. Temperatures out there, we're getting well into the mid-80s with humidities down 25% for the most part. Now what happens is the sea breeze kicks in the afternoon out of the west or the northwest, and the timing of that depends or judges how hot and dry we get. So if it kicks in earlier, the temperatures stay down throughout the day and the humidities stay up throughout the day. But if it doesn't kick in till late, like happened yesterday, they get hotter and drier than what's forecast. But overall, the inland branches shouldn't get much above 85 with humidities bottoming out around 25%. Now, as far as speed,